Okay, this little piece took me 2 hours to mill out the slot. That's why I've decided to cut the video in half, because I knew that these slots are going to take quite a long time to mill out. Now what I've done is I've started on a 7mm end mill in the bottom and then moved up to 8mm. The reason for that is if you try to cut it to size the first time around, your end mill tends to wander off to the one side because you've got a climb and a conventional cut going on at the same time. Now it's pushing away from the climb cut into the conventional cut, and then you land up with a slot that's going off to the one side, and you lose your accuracy. So what I do is, or what I did was to cut it 7mm and then followed by 8mm, which is the final size. And as you can see, it's going straight down the middle. And then the recess on top, I've started off with a 9mm end mill, increasing it to with 1mm each time I go through the from side to side to reduce the load on the machine. Now the last cut that you saw me do, that's a 13mm end mill, and it looks like it's got a bend in it. And another thing as well is it also places a lot of stress on the machine. So you would have seen the table trying to, it was fighting the climb cut. So what I've done is to tighten up the keep a little bit as it moves along, just to stop that rocking motion, but not enough to damage the keeps. Okay, this is basically what it looks like when it's finished. It's nice and straight in comparison to a commercial toe clamp. These things are hot forged, pressed. So accuracy is not the name of the game there. Now I've made these heels so that my brother can select whatever length of cap screws he needs, and then Loctite them in place. Now the whole system is based on the M8 Allen caps, and yeah, so that's a job done. My bluing didn't turn out as great as I would have hoped, but it should do. Well, I hope you enjoyed this build. I know it was split into two. I could have done it in one, but the machining took quite a long time. Until next time, God bless.